If you have a lot of data in your Google Sheets, then you may find difficulty in finding a particular word or value. In such a situation, by using the find tool, you can very easily find a word or value. And by using the replace function, you can even replace that word or value with any other word or value. To find a word or value, press on Ctrl F and then enter your desired word over here. System will automatically locate you to that word. By pressing enter, you can navigate to more than one result. For find and replace, click over here and find and replace window will be displayed. Alternatively, by pressing Ctrl H, you can directly open the find and replace window. Select your search range from here, that is, you want to search in entire spreadsheet, specific worksheet or any specific range. And then click on replace all. By doing so, that word will be replaced at everywhere by the new word. If you want to match case specific value like ABC in caps, then select match cases. You can check, in this case the system has not considered ABC in small letters. If you want to match the entire content of the cell, then click on match entire cell content. You can check over here, ABC is there but system has not considered it. Only those cells will be considered where ABC is the only content of the cell. Both the criterias which we understood, you can even combine them. The last criteria is extremely powerful. With the help of this, you can even make a change within the formula. We will discuss this concept in later topics.